So, why do you need an audio branding strategy?
In fact, Coca-Cola has an entire soundscape of sounds.
If you aren't using audio branding right now, you're missing out big time. A study by Leicester University found that brands that use music and sounds which are aligned with the brand's identity are 96% more likely to be remembered by their customers. This being in comparison to brands that use either unfit sounds and music or just use no audio branding strategy at all. A study by Professor Charles Spence at Oxford University stated that a brand audio strategy with relevant video can enhance the emotional impact of visual communication by 1,207%. Lastly, another study by the University of Harvard stated that YouTube business owners experience 98% more happiness if you click the like button, and that goes up to 100% if you leave a comment stating how handsome he is. Yeah, it's true. So it's fair to say that audio branding can help any brand generate more sales and grow. So what do you need to do in order to develop an effective audio strategy for your brand? Let's start off with Coca-Cola's audio brand strategy.
Although our previous audio signature was very successful, able to drive worldwide hits and carry the global Open Happiness campaign since 2009, it did not allow either the tagline or the brand name to be sung in a natural way. For this reason, the Taste the Feeling audio signature was created to carry the new campaign forward and drive awareness for the new tagline by making it singable. Where does the new Coca-Cola audio signature come from? The answer is simple. It all comes from this little bottle and the drink inside. An ice-cold Coca-Cola has been, and always will be, a multi-sensory experience. In fact, Coca-Cola has an entire soundscape of sounds. When we hear one sound world transitioning into the other, from thirst into refreshment, it tells a story through sound. This concept translates directly into Coca-Cola's new audio signature. An intrinsic soundscape tells the story of the product and evokes a visceral connection.
Now, Coca-Cola obviously have a dedicated team who can strategically come up with effective audio branding efforts, but you don't need a team to develop an audio branding strategy which can improve brand recall, which is very important, and drive more sales for your business. As you can see in this video, Coca-Cola's brand audio strategy is made up of two separate elements. The first is the jingle created around the brand's tagline at the time, Taste the Feeling, and the second part of their brand strategy is built around the sounds customers experience when enjoying a refreshing ice-cold Coca-Cola. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, Scott, I don't have the time or the money to create a full-blown audio portfolio showcasing every step of my customer's experience through sound. Listen. Breathe, take a deep breath and relax. You don't need to go into as much depth as Coca-Cola is in this video to get the full benefits an audio brand strategy can bring. But remember, as long as the sounds and the music that you use is relevant to your brand and they are used consistently, you will automatically begin building up your customers' ability to associate those particular sounds and music with your brand and what you do. An audio branding strategy could be as simple as just having a unique piece of music for your brand and using it consistently over the long term. And if you actually want to get a completely unique and original piece of music that is directly for your brand in your particular industry, look no further than Hook Sounds. So Hook Sounds has over 3,000 purely original tracks, and their music is being used by some of the world's biggest companies such as Apple, Disney, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Uber, just to name a few. They have a range of different packages for different size businesses, but with their business subscription, this allows you to basically have professional musicians create completely custom sounds and music to your exact taste and requirements. All you need to do is tell them a little bit about your business and also give them a reference to the type of music or sound that you need for your brand. Then their musical magic geniuses, if that's even a word, come together and create your truly unique piece of audio for you to use for your business. Right now, Hook Sounds has given us an exclusive 15% off all of their packages using the code BRANDER15. The link is in the description below. Feel free to take a look. So you now have your unique music being created from Hook Sounds. You could start thinking about creating a little mini audio portfolio to help add some life to your brand's advertising. You could take a similar approach to Coca-Cola and simply take your customer through the entire experience their product provides, or you can just keep it simple and choose a few relevant sounds which link to what your brand does. Let's pretend, for example, that you are a local hair salon or a barber's and you wanted to create a little selection of sounds to use in your advertising. Think about the type of sounds that you hear when you're in that environment, when you're actually in a barber's or a salon. You could have the snipping of scissors, or water being sprayed, or even the blow drying of hair, and even customers saying wow after having the best haircut of their entire life. You can likely find these sounds on the internet, but you could even record some in a nice quiet room on your iPhone and use these audio files just as well. It doesn't have to be complicated, it can be really, really simple. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start using audio branding to grow your brand. A huge thank you to Hook Sounds for sponsoring this video, and if you like what we're doing here at the Brander channel, then feel free to subscribe, comment, and if you have any questions about branding, marketing, or literally anything else for that matter, let us know. Okay, until next time guys, take care.